Hey guys, I got a 2014 Ford Expedition and I'm going to show you how to get at your fuse panel in your truck. So it seems pretty easy to do, but I'll show you what I got going on. So if you're going through your passenger side, on the kick panel, there's a trim piece right here and it says fuses on it. The problem is that you're like, all right, how the heck does this come off? Because it seems like it's on there pretty good. And it almost seems like you're gonna break the thing. And what you need to do is you need to put your hand on the edge of it right here and really kind of tug it. And it'll come apart because it's hinged right here. And to get the cover off the actual fuse panel, there's a tab under here and a tab here. You just squeeze it and all your fuses are numbered on the outside of the panel. And they're all in there. In the owner's manual, the corresponding numbers, tell you what all these fuses go to. So to put the cover back on, you're going to put the tabs in like that. Flap the door over. You're going to kind of give it a quick hit. Give it a little tug and you should be good. So that's how you get the trim piece kick panel cover off to access your fuse panel. It almost seems like you're going to break the thing, but if you give it a quick tug, it should pop right off for you. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you.